Hello friends, a heartfelt welcome to our channel. Today's video is very special because we are going to show you some amazing heart-shaped embroidery designs that will give your clothes and home decor a new look. If you're a creativity enthusiast and want to learn something new, make sure to watch this video till the end. Heart-shaped embroidery is not just a design, but a symbol of emotions. It represents love, friendship, and affection in the most beautiful way, and you can embroider it on any fabric. Whether it's for your children's clothes, wedding lehengas, or cushion covers for your home, heart-shaped embroidery leaves its mark everywhere. In today's video, we will show you some unique and beautiful heart-shaped embroidery designs that will give your creativity a new direction. Now let's discuss some important tips and tricks that will make it easier for you to create these designs. First, choosing the right fabric is very important. Always select a fabric that supports your embroidery design. Second, pay special attention to the quality of the threads. High-quality threads not only make your embroidery beautiful, but also durable. Third, make sure your hands are steady when tracing the design so that it's traced correctly. Fourth, if you are new to embroidery, start with a small project. This will boost your confidence, and you can gradually try larger designs. Fifth, always fix your fabric in a hoop while embroidering. This will keep your stitching precise and make the design stand out better. Now you might be wondering where you can use these heart-shaped embroidery designs. So let me give you some ideas. You can create these on the borders of your dress, making it even more beautiful. These designs look fantastic on cushion covers or bed sheets, especially when you decorate your living room or bedroom with them. Additionally, these designs look adorable on children's clothes. You can also use them on gifting items like handmade handkerchiefs, towels, or gift bags. So friends, these were some special heart-shaped embroidery designs. I hope you liked them and are excited to try them out. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it so that others can also benefit from these creative designs. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our new videos. If you have any suggestions or questions, feel free to tell us in the comments section. See you again, friends, with a new and exciting video. Until then, stay happy, stay creative, and give new dimensions to your creativity. Thank you. Enjoy video.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
So friends, these were some special heart-shaped embroidery designs. I hope you liked them and are excited to try them out. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it so that others can also benefit from these creative designs. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our new videos. If you have any suggestions or questions, feel free to tell us in the comments section. See you again, friends, with a new and exciting video. Until then, stay happy, stay creative, and give new dimensions to your creativity. Thank you.